Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see CSS in HTML. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Under this CSS we are going to see three types of CSS, that is inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS, and we are going to see CSS padding, CSS margin, ID attributes, and class attribute. Let us go to the Sublime editor. First of all, we will go for the inline CSS. For inline CSS, you can give the style here inside this H1. If you give the style here, suppose I want to give some color for this text, I am giving red color here, and then semicolon. This is called inline CSS. Inside this H1 tag, we have given some style. This is the inline. For paragraph also you can give inline CSS. Style, I am giving some color for this one. Colon, then I am giving your blue color, semicolon. Now save this file. Go to the desktop. Right click your file, then open with Google Chrome. You can see the text that is heading in red color and the paragraph is in blue color. This one we are given in the inline CSS. The next one is internal CSS. Let us go to the Sublime editor. Now I am deleting this one from here. Inline CSS I am deleting here. Now we will go for internal CSS. Internal CSS we have to give it inside the head tag. We'll go after the title. Here you can go for style. Close it, and you have to close the style tag. In between the head tag you can give the style, and I can give the style here. We can give the style for H1. And give H1, and you have to open it curly braces. I am giving you a color here, colon. I am giving you a blue color. After that semicolon has to be there. Now I will give for paragraph. Open with curly braces. Then you can give some color for this one. I am giving red color here now. Save the file. Go to the browser. You can go to the refresh the browser. Now you can see the color is changed here. The heading is in blue color and the paragraph is in red color. This is called the internal CSS. So close this file. Now we will go for the Next one, that is called external CSS. We will delete this style from here. Save this file. Now for external CSS, we have to create one file under the extension .css. This file can be called from any HTML files. Go to the file, new, go to file, save here. We will save it in the desktop. Here you have to give the file name. I am giving style, styles. Then you have to select the extension. Here it is there, CSS. You have to give the .css extension. Save the file. You can see the file name styles.css, and here we have hello.html. You can see it in the desktop. Your file is created here. This is the styles.css file is there. Now here in style.css we will give the coding for this heading, body and the paragraph. We will give the coding, the styles here. Now I am going for body. Open the curly braces. Here you have to give the coding for this one. I am giving your background color. You can give any color here. I am giving powder blue. That's it. Then you can go for H1 tag. H1. Open with curly braces. You can give any color for this one. I am giving color, colon. You can give any color. I am giving suppose green color. I am giving green color for H1. Then paragraph. Open with curly braces. Color. I am giving you blue color. Now save this file. Under this hello.html, we have to give link to this file. To link a file, we have to type the code inside the head tag. Open with the smaller sign and give the link here. Link rel equal to double quotes. We have to give style sheets. We are going to link the style sheet here. Style sheet. Then you have to give the file name. Here you have to give href equal to double quotes. Then you have to give the file name, that is styles.css. Close this link here. Close this tag. Now we have linked the style.css file inside our hello.html. Now for this body h1 and p tag, we have given the styles here. Now save the file, save all, minimize it, then go to the desktop, right click the hello.html and open with Google Chrome. You can see the background is powder blue. Here the heading is in green color and the paragraph is in blue color. These styles we have given by external CSS. Now we'll close this one. Go to our browser, editor, go to our editor. Then we'll go for now padding. We'll give some CSS padding. Go to style.css. For this paragraph, we will give some paddings. After this color, we can give the border. Then colon here. You can give any pixels here. I'm giving 2 pixel border, solid line. You can give any color here. I'm giving the color, suppose red color I'm giving here for the border. Then padding. I'm giving it here 30 pixels. Now save the file. Minimize the editor. Right click your hello.html. Open with Google Chrome. You can see the border, that is 2 pixel border we have given, and the padding, the space between the text and the border, that is 30 pixels. You can see by changing these values how it works. Suppose if I am giving here, suppose around, I am giving 75 here. Save this file. Go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see the distance between this text and the border is 75. Again I am making to 30. File, save, then refresh it here. I got 30 distance here. Now let us see the margin, how to give the margin. CSS margin. We will go for margin here. Margin colon. Suppose if I am giving here 50 pixels. Save this file. Go to the browser. Refresh it here. You can see the distance between the text above this text, the heading and the border. This is 50 pixels. That's all about the margins. Now let us see about the ID properties. We will delete this whole thing except the background. We will delete this one and file, save, go to the HTML. Here we will go for paragraph now. We will delete this heading or whatever, no problem. Just delete this paragraph and go for heading. Here I am giving heading. We are going to see now ID properties. Under this heading, we will go for ID. We are giving one ID for this one. ID is equal to double quotes. You can give some ID here. I am giving here I01 like that. Any number, anything you can give it here. Then go to the CSS style.css. Here I can give the color of that heading by giving the ID here. Go to the give the # sign. Then give the name of that ID. I have given I01. Then you have to open the curly braces. Then you can give the color there. Give any color. I am giving you, suppose I am giving here orange. Colon. File, save all. Minimize this one. Right click the hello.html. Open with Google Chrome. You can see the color of this heading is orange. This color we are given to this heading by is ID. We have given on ID and then we have changed the color of this one. Let us see the next one, that is the class attribute. Go to the editor. I am deleting this one. Then go to the HTML. Remove this ID from here. Now we will go for class h1 class. We are giving some class here, and then equal to, you can give anything here. I am giving the name of this h1. You can give h, or I am giving here you can give h 101, any number you can give it, any name you can give for this class. And this is the heading. I am giving it here in blue color. Now this class you have to give it in the style also. For giving the class you have to give h1 dot. You have to give the name of that one. Name I have given h101. Then open the curly braces. Then you can give any color to the text. I am giving here blue color as we have written there. Okay, this is a heading in blue color and we have given the color blue here. Now here you have to be careful. Here you have to give h1 dot. H1 is heading and this is the class name h101. Now save this file. Go to the desktop, hello.html, right click, then open with Google Chrome. You can see the color of this text in blue color. This color we have given by a class method. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.